We are currently receiving countless reports of an unidentified hostile organism that we'll refer to as alternates. Until we have a complete understanding of the threat, it's important to stay home, lock all doors and windows, and have access to a loaded firearm or any ranged weapon at all times. You will know if an alternate exists solely based on their physical characteristics. If you see another person that looks identical to you, run away and hide.
Hey, little Billy, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
So, I left my stuff in my storage unlocked. Can you do me a favor and grab some of the stuff that I need that is super rare to me and just put it somewhere safe?
Yeah, but what do I get out of it?
You can take one of the Galaxy items if you want.
Alright, that sounds good to me. When do you want me to do?
Maybe just, like, when it hits nighttime, or when it's a good time for you.
Alright. Finally, we're here. What? Who are you? I'm Little Billy. But no, you're not. I'm Little Billy. Because remember, I have the hat. You don't have a hat, and you have sunglasses. Who are you? What are you talking about?
Run!
No, please! What is this? I better use it. Take this! It worked! I think I found a cure!
Danny, I know you're in bed. You can't lose this forever.
Who is this? What is this? I'm starting to think. Listen to me. Who is this?
Danny,
Reveal yourself. I'm not afraid. I have a weapon. Leave me alone!
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help...